guys, welcome to Told Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm showing you my fall house tour. We're starting outside because the biggest change is our house color. Also changed up our front porch a little bit. I had one of these, or both of these actually, in our guest bedroom, but they were really just too big, so I stuck it out here, and I love having this piece. It kind of ties in the white into this dark porch. And then these are different chairs. I had these on our back patio last time, and then I just added white pillows again to kind of bring in the white. And then of course the new buffalo plaid for fall I had to bring out. And then I also did the same thing down here with the rug. I found this at Hobby Lobby for around $15, and then this was $4.99 from Ross, and I layered it. I saw this look on Pinterest and I just loved it. Now let's head on inside. Now that we've entered the house, a lot of things have changed, but what you're going to notice is it's with the same pieces. I love to shop my house first before I go buy anything new. So a lot of the times I'm just rearranging. If you guys follow me along my YouTube journey, you'll see that I kind of change weekly. So I'm going to show you my fall decor, and I'm going to go ahead and show you every bedroom. I don't put fall in every bedroom, but we are going to walk in there and I'll kind of show you the changes that I've made. This is the first area that's new. The last time I did my home tour, and I will link that up high for you guys and at the end of the video. I didn't have anything on this, but we kind of like to have a place to put our drinks, and I wanted to put some fall decor out. This is from the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. And then these two were from the Dollar Tree for $1. This cake stand was $1 from Target. And then this was a pumpkin I had bought from a garage sale, and it was orange, and I was gonna get rid of it, but last year I decided to paint it. So you guys can tell I didn't paint the bottom. But if you guys want a new look, and I've even seen where they paint everything white, but that's an easy way to update for the holiday if you don't want color. Another area that I always like to decorate for holidays is the guest bathroom. I think it's fun to decorate the guest bathroom just so if we have any visitors stop by, they kind of feel welcomed. And this is a little nook I always mess around with. In every cleaning video it's kind of different, but I'm loving this for fall. And then this is just a glass cake stand that I pulled out to kind of elevate it. And then this was from Target, and then this was on sale, Big Lots. It's just a pumpkin candle, and it was actually clearance for $2.50. But I just feel like the arrangement looks nice, and this year I really tried to do different levels, and I feel like it adds character to it, so definitely play around with that as well. And then in the guest bathroom, I always love to have seasonal hand soap just to kind of make it fun, and when your guests leave, they have that smell on their hands from your house. Now let's head on into my beauty room. Okay, I do not decorate for fall in my beauty room, but I have made a lot of changes that I want to talk to you about. First thing is I completely rearranged. I think the last time my vanity was over here and my desk was kind of behind you. And I also got this really cool desk chair that is so much easier to set in all day. And just while I'm thinking about it, if you guys have any questions, check out my Amazon link down below and I will list everything that I can find, and most of it's already there to begin with. A next big change is I finally got this bodice. I had been wanting one for so long, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I ended up getting her for free. But I love having my wedding dress out in my beauty room. I can see her every time I work or get ready, and it just makes me so happy. But other than that, everything's the same. It's just changed around and it makes it feel new, and I love doing that in my spaces. Okay, now let's head into our guest bedroom. Now, not a lot has changed in this room, but there is a tiny few changes that we've made. The first one is I took the big white nightstands out of this room. I felt they were too big and bulky, and they weren't needed. And then I added this floor length mirror, so when girls, it's mainly my sister that comes, so she can actually see her outfit and get ready if she doesn't want to be over in my beauty room. And my whole goal for the guest bedroom is to have it calm, relaxing, and inviting. So I love tons of pillows and blankets and not any clutter, just so that our company feels welcomed while they're here. Okay, now I'm going to take you into my daughter's bedroom, but first I wanted to show you the security system that we use. We use Vivint, and I talked about them in our last home tour, and you guys went crazy and signed up for it. I love that you can control it from here and get live footage from your doorbell. I can control it from my phone, and if you guys have any questions about this or want to look into getting it, our rep was named Josh, and he is super nice. His information will be down below in my description box, and let him know I sent you and he'll work you out a really great deal. Okay, now we are in my daughter's room, and everything in here is the same, but we did rearrange. Who likes to rearrange, you or me? Both of us. We both like to rearrange, and it's such a cheap and easy way to change up a space. So I know her bed was against like the window and her dresser was over here, but definitely try changing things up and shopping your house, and your room can feel completely new for free. Now let's head into our master suite. Okay, this is another bedroom. I don't have fall in it, and I haven't bought anything new, but it looks completely different than the first go around. Our bed was on this wall and our TV was over here, but we felt like this really opened up the space and gave us more room. So once again, just a little rearranging can change a space completely. Okay, now I'm going to show you around my kitchen and dining room. Okay, so here in my kitchen, I love doing fall decor, but you guys know me, I don't like a ton of clutter, so I don't put a ton out. So one of my tricks for doing that is I grabbed a kickstand and I just filled it with all different types of pumpkins. And so there's glass ones, there's cloth ones, and it just adds a lot of texture. And it is a lot of decor, but it's kind of contained into one area so it doesn't get crazy. And this is also easy to clean. If I were to put those all down, I would have to pick them up every time I wanted to wipe down my cabinets. But this, I can just kind of slide and move and clean around it. My favorite thing about fall is fall candles. And so I picked this one up from Big Lots and it was only $6. And I feel like it just kind of makes it special when you get like a $1 cupcake stand and set it on there. It just kind of makes it more formal and fun. So during fall, my house will smell amazing because I love, love, love those scents. Okay, the final area that I'm going to show you guys is my dining room, and I went a little crazy this year. For me, this is a lot to put on my table, but I was loving this like soft green, and I had found these at Walmart for 75 cents each for the cluster. And then all of this is like Target decor, and like I said, everything is under $3. And I just love the way it looks. This is not going to be a fun area to clean. Every time I have to wipe it off, I'll have to pick it up. But in reality, we only really eat on this half of the table, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then I also got the Thankful banner up there, and I love that it looks like shiplap and wood. I might add greenery up there, but I haven't decided. But I really love how our house turned out for fall. It just feels homey and warm, and I love this time of year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on my Amazon link down below if you saw anything you liked and want to purchase. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I would love for you to check me out over there. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.